Alright, so it's been quite a minute now since I've actually picked up this camera and recorded. So I'm gonna just do a little update on all the Civic and the speed. So I'm gonna hop out of my car and get the garage unlocked, and we got a few little things going on today. So basically my main goal today with this thing is to fix my major hole in my exhaust. So I don't know how it happened or why it happened or whatever, but this car has only seen winter for 1 year, and that was when I first got it. And then after that, it's just been in a garage or like not seeing snow or salt. And where my exhaust hanger is, it kind of just collapsed and took the exhaust with it. I'm going to at least jack this thing up. I'll show you guys. My main focus is this today, so I'm gonna take it up to my buddies at Stay Tuned Auto Works, which you guys should check out since they did this awesome wrap. And they're about to do the white side. So that's getting changed. That's going to be like a really dark purple, like a gloss, like dark black kind of purple color. And yeah, that's my main goal. Logan's car over here has got some goodies, but it's all on jack stands right now, looking like this guy all the time now. Oh, and before I jack this thing up, I'll just show you guys my exhaust tip right now. So here's this one, right? So it broke. And my exhaust is just rubbing everything up in there from the hanger. This one's like super low, and then this one over here is like right up against the bumper. So that's how it's supposed to look. And over there it's just hanging pretty good. So as you can see, here is my hole going straight to my exhaust, and right there is my hanger that just kind of snapped off. So it's supposed to be there, but it sounds horrible right now. It's got that major exhaust leak sound. Sounds like a tractor when I'm going down the road, and then like there's so much rattling that goes on in my trunk because of that. And most of you know, I don't have a trunk or anything in the back of my car. The back of my car is that. So, lots of noises, lots of vibrations. So I was supposed to fix that. I was supposed to get, there was NVX sound deadening, and I ordered it through Amazon. They shipped it USPS, and I got lost. So they're gotta refund me. I told them, I'm like, I don't really want the refund. I just want the sound deadening because I kind of need it, because I do have this Pergo hardwood floor that's supposed to go in there, and we're actually doing this tomorrow, and then probably do like a custom sub box or whatever in the back. Probably won't, I don't know if I want to like do a flush mounted setup like with the sub, have it in the floor, or if I just want to go ahead and just lay all this flat, and then up by the seats have it kind of angled up, and then just have like a single 10 or a single 12 on one side, or do two, but I'll figure that out eventually. So far it's actually, the speed has been running pretty good. It's on a final tune from Purple Drank. I do have a few other things coming in for it. I have a 6-port kit coming in for it. Nick from Graveyard Performance just informed us about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, that most of his exhaust manifolds will be shipped out at the end of the month. So there's another thing. We are going to be doing a wastegate dump. So we're going internal wastegate to external wastegate. Going to be doing 44 millimeter, and it's going to come out my hood. I'm not too sure if I want to do an exhaust dump, just because that'll be super loud. And I don't know if I'm down for that. I love the way this car sounds when there's not holes in my exhaust. So, I mean, I'll figure it out. But main thing is, I'm going to get this car ready. I am trying to get my car entered in the SlammedEnuff event in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. And basically going to get this car ready for that. Just finish the wrap. We're going to actually move the fender flares up probably an inch or two. That way I can lower my car more. All right, so where it sits now. It sits about right there, give or take. Don't mind this. That'll get fixed when we go to wrap this side. The wheel kinda, no, it wasn't the wheel. The bumper was off, so this piece was just kind of flapping in the wind, and it just completely just folded itself. But as you can tell, I don't know how I'm rubbing on the outside of my fender, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to take all these tire stickers off and just get rid of that whole look. But basically where she sits now, it's not like super low. It's like, it's respectable, but I still want to drop it about another 2 inches. Got some big plans before SlammedEnuff, so I'm hoping I can get everything finished up. I guess I'll show you the Civic. I basically put new wheels on it and lowered it, maybe just a hair, but 1 second. So here is the Civic. You haven't seen this thing for a minute. I didn't plan on actually like throwing wheels on it and tires, but if you are in the 8th gen groups, these nearly impossible to get a hold of. These are reps, and if you know anything about them, they are the Honda factory performance side skirts, but they are the rep ones, and they're still just as hard to find. So other than that, wheels, tires, they are hella stretched, hella stance boy, you know. So this car, I want to put on coils and just slam the piss out of it and just call it a day. Make it just a little street sweeper of a daily. I did get new headlights, and then we wrapped the hood black. I added my little Panda Crew. If you guys are interested in those, just DM me on Instagram. I have 4 different style of stickers. Then Stay Tuned Auto Works, shout out to them for always hooking me up for some good deals. And then we got the roof wrapped gloss black. I added some rain guards because I have no AC, and when it rains I need the windows down. Nothing really going on with the back. I did add a pseudo exhaust. It's a 2.5 inch. It is actually, I think I have an exhaust leak in that too, but I ain't too like worried about this. I need to fix it, and it's rattling all over my my lowering springs. I did put D2 lowering springs on it. Nothing really interior wise, it's just completely stock. Other than that, I haven't done a whole lot to this. It definitely changed since a few months ago, because I put a lot of money into just the wheels, tires, hood wrap, and you know, all the basics. Just got the go ahead to go ahead. Just got the go ahead to go ahead. Whatever. Basically, they messaged me and they told me to head on up there. So we're gonna go get this hole in my exhaust fixed. And I was walking over to this side of my car, you know, just like, I noticed, Logan, what is that, bro? Like, what are you doing, dog? Like, what is this? Bro, what happened, huh? You got some rust, huh? Yep. Time to, you know, wide body it. Yeah. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm gonna give you guys like a little cold start video. I don't know if you guys heard that, it sounded like a gunshot. But I'll give you guys a cold start, and I'll let it warm up, get to temp, and then we can head on out.